I don't know if anybody here believes in ghosts or the occult, but here we have 4 nuts and bolts. Now, I'm going to try and get some spirits to try and unscrew the nuts of the actual bolts themselves. Now, I've got 4 here, they're normal nuts and bolts. I'll just pick one of them, this one here. And what you do, clip your fingers, and watch very, very carefully, because slowly but surely the nut starts to turn. It's faster and faster and fast. If I pick this one up here, same. There's no wires here or any magnets at all. Each one threading on its own. If I pick this one up, again that starts to turn as well. And the last one here. What I'm going to do is put my hand underneath. Collect the bolt as the spirit takes it off the end.